Hi everyone, I'm Pooja Agarwal from Team Tectonic and I'm here to present my project which is able to recommend a tech stack to user on the basis of the skills they have and on the basis of the project they are trying to build in. This is basically this is basically intended for the users who are naive in coding and software development and who needs to build some projects or some innovations faster. So we will be taking information from users about tech stack or the technologies they know. They may or may not add any information as per their desire, and we will be generating a quick response and we will be providing them with a tech stack which is most suitable with their project and their skills so that they can start building faster. Here I'll be presenting our project. So this is the project whose name is Tectonic, and here we will be taking all the information from user as per their skill set. So first thing we are asking the user is expected project duration from the time they have to complete the project. Suppose I am a college student and I have only 1 to 5 months to complete a project so that I can show it in my semester exams. So I'll be selecting short. Next thing is team size. There may or may not have some partner for completing my project, or there may be multiple partners who can be working on a single project. So here I'll be selecting team size. So basically in college students have a team size of very small only, which is 1 to 5 people. And app idea, we have selected some generic app ideas. However, you can also select others, but suppose I am making a college project, so I will have some generic idea only. Suppose I'm trying to build a reservation platform, ticket reservation platform or something. So I'll select my app idea, and here I'll be taking some we will be taking some information about designing scale the team has. So first of all, how do you rate yourself in HTML CSS for front end designing? So a student may be basic or intermediate only. Let's select intermediate. What is the familiarity of team with CSS framework? There are a lot of CSS frameworks available, so we user may or may not be familiar with some CSS frameworks, but we will be asking them. Suppose I have basic knowledge of Bootstrap, so I'll select basic. Now they are asking, do you have a dedicated UI UX team with good knowledge of designing tools like Figma, Adobe? So if it is industry oriented project, we will have this kind of team, but in college we don't find this kind of team. Now the project type may be web or app, because user may build a website or may build an app. So suppose most of the users select web, but however we could select app also. And in the next, we will ask some front end frameworks if the user knows. Suppose I know I have basic intermediate idea of React and I have done 2 projects in React, and I have some basic knowledge of Angular, but I have not done any project, so I can select this. You can also select more than two, but but the college student might not know much. And you can also select, like in industry oriented, there might be multiple teammates with multiple skill set. So here we can fill all the data, and then when we can go to next. Now this is the backend proficiency. Whatever we know in backend, it may be Node, it may be Express. So you can just select. Suppose I have intermediate idea of Node and I have made 3 projects in it. I have basic idea of Express and I have made 2 projects in it. I also know PHP, so I have intermediate idea in PHP and I have made 2 projects in it. And I have basic idea of Java and I have made 1 project in it. So whatever I need to fill, I'll fill. And after that I'll go to next, and this is database proficiency. Whatever I know in database, so most of the users have intermediate. Suppose I have intermediate knowledge of MySQL as I've studied in my college subject, and I've heard about MongoDB but not much. I've also heard about Postgres, so I can put basic, but I have not built any project in 2 of them. I have built a project in MySQL, so whatever the details is in the database I will add. And now Merge stack is the most recommended stack for us. Like our tech stack recommender has recommended a Merge stack for a project where the user has smaller team and small, like basic skill set. So user can start with Merge stack and build this project faster in short duration, as they told they need to complete it in short duration. So they can use Merge stack. One more thing is we can get more information about Merge stack. So the model is loading a bit. Here we will get all the information about Stack, the documentation link, and the resources from where I can learn Stack, so that we are providing a complete user experience to the user who is trying to start building anything using our project. Like, they can easily get the information of tech stack they should start building. And another thing is they can get all the information of stack from here, so that if they are naive and they have not learned anything about stack, so that they can learn from our recommendation. They can get all the links and all the resources, and from the resources they can start learning. So they are being loaded. It will take a bit time. So here it is. Here we have some information. We all the information is provided. The documentation link of React is there. Node is there. Express, MongoDB, Mongoose, React router also you need to learn, right, for learning anything. Redux for state management. These are all the additional things that we should learn. Another thing is Axios, because you need to make API and you need to hit. And Axios is the most important thing, as we know. And Bootstrap and Material UI, so that we can make our project faster. So this is it. This is how tectonic works. It will gather all your data, and it will do some computation at its end, and this model will provide you with the most suitable answer. Along with that, we at Tectonic are trying to provide all the resources to users, so that they can start faster and build. So this is it about Tectonic. Thank you.